Should you buy Gigabyte GPU in 2024? Do they have a reputable warranty? Can you trust their RMA process? Today we're going to find out. Hello Internet. Today we have this 3080 that was denied warranty because of this sticker here, which points to a small crack. However, I think this small crack was just an excuse to deny a GPU replacement. Allow me to demonstrate. First and most important thing to note is that the warranty seal is not broken. Whoever diagnosed this card simply looked at it and called it user damage, completely disregarding what's under the hood. After I took it apart, I found short on 1.8 volt and PEX. So I started looking around with a thermal camera and I didn't see anything obvious.
Until
I wiped the thermal paste from the bottom of the core and then I saw this.
Oh my god!
Core is cracked, I don't know why and I don't care. What I do care about is the reason for denial of warranty was false, and that little crack on the back had little to nothing to do with the problem and it was used as an excuse. Moving on, another 3080 from the same RMA with the exact same arrow in the exact same place. And yes, once I peeled off the sticker away, the very same warranty sticker was still intact. So now we know that the Gigabyte RMA are doing their diagnostics the exact same way. Once card was opened, I wiped the core so we won't miss the surprises anymore, and proceeded with the measurements, and I found short on PEX. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is what killed this card, not the crack. If anything, according to my crack repairing experience, crack affects several NVDD phases, and not 1.8 or PEX rail. So, my conclusion here is, core had an internal failure. Gigabyte found the crack, assume it was the cause, and move on with their daily life. All is good. Oh, and if you think the Gigabyte is bad, watch this video here about ASUS. Goodbye.